Good day, everyone. This is James, and welcome once again to Maths with James Tutoring. So, our question for today is this. On the first day of a semester, a film club has 90 members. So, each day after the first day of the semester, 10 new members join the film club. If no members leave the film club, how many total members will the film club have 4 days after the first day of the semester? So, this is actually very simple. So, take note that for the first day of the semester, there are actually 90 members. And it was said that for every day, there's actually an additional 10 new members. So, additional 10 for the first day, 10 for the second, 10 for the third, and another 10 for the fourth day. So, to determine the number of members 4 days after the first day of the semester, so we basically just add everything. So, 90 plus 10, it gives 100, 100 plus triple tens will give us 130. And therefore, 4 days after the first day of semester, there will be 130 members the film club. So thanks for watching. So I hope you have a nice day.